Natural remedies to prevent and treat colds, flu and COVID-19. The following 17 home remedies may help prevent illness, reduce symptoms, and shorten the duration of a cold or a flu virus. 1. Honey has antimicrobial properties to fight against infections. It is effective in relieving coughing. Adding lemon provides extra flavor and adds some vitamin C. Children younger than 1 year should not take honey due to the risk of infant botulism. 2. In 2020, a group of researchers from Pakistan, Australia and Canada, led by Dr. Sohaib Ashraf, performed a clinical trial on 313 COVID-19 infected persons using honey and Nigella sativa or black cumin. The conclusion was that this treatment can be used as a safe and effective COVID-19 therapy to promote a faster recovery and bigger rate of survival. Dr. Sohaib Ashraf, from Harvard Medical School, said, "We searched on scientific literature for any miracle drug that can be globally accessible, considering a pandemic, with established wide-range efficacy against viruses and other microbes, and we found two marvel drugs, honey and Nigella sativa, the perfect fit." 3. Zinc may help shorten the length of a cold and symptoms. This is because zinc prevents the rhinovirus, cold, from replicating in the body. The best foods that contains zinc: meat, shellfish, chickpeas, beans, lentils, hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, cashews and cheese. Too much zinc can cause nausea and stomach aches. 4. Taking vitamin C before having cold may shorten the length of symptoms. Foods that are high on vitamin C: acerola cherries, kakadu plums, rose hips, guavas, blackcurrants, mustard spinach, kale, kiwis, lychees, lemons, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, papayas, strawberries, peppers, oranges, thyme, and parsley. Avoid excess sugar consumption as it can lower your body's supply of vitamin C. 5. Vitamin D3 is great for boosting the immune system. It is the nutrient produced by your body when it is exposed to sunlight. Foods that are high in vitamin D: salmon, sardines, herrings, cod liver oil, tuna, egg yolks and mushrooms. When eating fish, avoid species that are potentially containing high levels of mercury, a toxin found in polluted waters. 6. The black elderberry has an antiviral effect against influenza infections, flu virus. It can be consumed as jam, syrup or even wine. If too much is eaten, the berries and seeds can cause stomach problems. It contains small amounts of lectins. 7. Garlic contains allicin that has antibacterial and antiviral properties and helps boost the immune system. On top, garlic has been effectively used parasitic infections and to reduce blood pressure and blood clotting. Raw garlic might cause a burning sensation in the mouth or stomach. Larger doses of garlic might increase the risk of bleeding after a surgery, because of its blood-thinning effect. 8. Echinacea extract may support the immune system and help prevent colds and relieve nasal symptoms. For short term, you can use the echinacea herbal tea. Side effects of echinacea are mostly caused by allergies to flowers. 9. Oregano has antibacterial effects and it is used to relieve headaches, coughs, respiratory infections and diarrhea. Taking oregano oil or rubbing it on the chest could help relieve cold symptoms. Oregano oil is highly concentrated. High doses can lead to nausea, vomiting and skin irritations. 10. Eucalyptus oil has antiviral and antimicrobial properties. A steam inhalation will help open clogged up sinuses. You can also add couple drops to a handkerchief and inhale. 11. Turmeric has high antioxidant and antibacterial properties. It assists in reducing the symptoms of cold and flu. 12. Mint has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It can also act as an expectorant and helps in the expulsion of phlegm. It contains menthol that helps to open up congested sinuses. Best used as tea or steam inhalation. 13. Couple small slices of raw ginger root in boiling water may help soothe a cough or sore throat. 14. Research has shown that probiotics can help protect against flu. They are present in many foods, like yogurt, kefir, pickles, sauerkraut, miso, kombucha, tempeh, natto and kimchi. 15. Hot liquids like tea and soups help relieve congestion, loosen secretions in the chest and sinuses, and keep you hydrated to fight viral infections. 16. Onions are anti-inflammatory, great for infections, great expectorant and act like an antibiotic. Can be used as onion syrup or onion soup. To obtain the syrup, cut the onion and soak it in drinking water for about 8 hours. Then take a sip couple times a day. The folklore mention that if you cut a fresh onion in half and you put it in a room with a sick person, it will absorb the toxins and germs, so the person will feel better. 17. Research suggests that the in-home air is more toxic than the outdoor air. Steps to be taken to clean and disinfect your air. Clean surfaces in your home using a cleaner that contains soap or detergent. Have everyone wash hands when returning from outside activities. Bring fresh air into your home. Open windows and doors when possible. Use fans to improve the airflow. Filter your air using purification systems. Look for certifications like H1N1, MERS, and MRSA. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, people should see a doctor if their cold or flu symptoms last longer than 10 days with no signs of improvement. If you have any unusual symptoms or your symptoms are severe, like trouble breathing, immediately contact your doctor. Before using any essential oils on children or babies, it's best to consult your doctor.